that I want to teach to a lot of youngsters and a lot of people, not only youngsters, everyone out there.
भाई प्लीज बूम माइक वहाँ रखे हुए पीछे सीट दोनों एक और
Like I said, the one person I really look up to is Stallone, and even if you see Expendables, I think he's rocking. I mean, he defines everything that's human, and I really like Sylvester Stallone. He's my hero.
And from Bollywood, anyone whom you...
Growing up, the only person that's made an impression on me has been Stallone, and I'm being very honest about it. And he's the reason why I kind of used to, from Jain College, I got out and I started eating bananas, thinking I'll become big and strong like him, and that's the reason why I'm here. So I guess my one dream would be just to get to know him a little better and be with him. As far as our industry is concerned, I think everybody is really good looking and everybody is super fit, and I'm very proud to represent my industry because it's so nice to see such lovely looking people, men and women, all around. From every age group, they're all so fit, and it makes me really happy because I like to see fit people around. So जी, खाने का रूटीन काफ़ी नॉर्मल है. सिर्फ अभी अगर डाइट पे जाओ तो काफ़ी कुछ मुझे आपको बताना पड़ेगा, लेकिन इन शॉर्ट मैं ज़्यादा ऑयली चीज़ें नहीं खाता हूँ, और आई अवॉइड फैट्स. और जैसे रेगुलर जो हमें बोलते हैं लोग कि ये अवॉइड करना चाहिए, हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए. फ़र्क सिर्फ इतना है कि मैं बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन हूँ इन द माइंड, और मैं उसको फॉलो करता हूँ. अगर आप उसे फॉलो करें, देन आई एम श्योर यू विल बी you'll probably be fitter than I am. It's very simple.
Living with fire, like what is that fire which keeps you going? Maybe it's in a professional front or maybe health related. Like what is that fire which keeps you moving?
Well, I think today people say that I am fit, and I like being fit, but I in my head I am only at about 10 to 20%. I've got another 80% to go in terms of total fitness, because there are a lot of different techniques of workouts that I want to try out. There are a lot of different applications that I want to build into, into fitness, that I want to teach to a lot of youngsters and a lot of people, not only youngsters, everyone out there. Make life easier for everyone by making fitness accessible to everyone. So I think I need to get fit. I'm learning every day. I'm learning about nutrition every day. I'm learning about diet every day. I'm learning about exercise every day. I learn from my colleagues every day because they teach me a lot of what to do and what not to do. And I really enjoy the space of learning every day and standing here before you. And, if I wasn't physically in good shape, I probably would not be able to speak to you about all this. But the point is, I'm still evolving every day. I'm trying to make life better for myself.
Acting also, like what is the fire that keeps you going? Maybe you're talking about a professional health related, but what is that thing that keeps you moving?
Well, coincidentally, good question, because all my films, coincidentally, a lot of my films are based on sport. And if not sport, I mean, I'm shooting for, besides Welcome Back, I'm shooting for Rocky Handsome, and that's an all-out action film. And, then a film on football with Shujit Sarkar called 1911. So everything is, something has got to do with sport. And I really enjoy that space, because I know that if I'm shooting for 90 days or 100 days, I know I'm going to be playing a sport or probably doing some physical action, and I really enjoy it. जी, वो तो मतलब अगर आपको एक्सक्यूज़ेस निकालने कि आज आप बहुत थक गए, आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते, या काम बहुत है, आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते, then these are little excuses. लेकिन मेरे पास कोई एक्सक्यूज़ नहीं है, मुझे वर्कआउट करना ही पड़ता है. कल रात को मैं आज सुबह 2 बजे सोया, मैं 5 घंटे सोया, 7 बजे उठ के मैंने वर्कआउट किया. सो आई थिंक वर्कआउट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मेरे पास कोई एक्सक्यूज़ नहीं है, क्योंकि पब्लिक हमें देखती है एंड दे डिसाइड वेदर यू आर फिट और यू आर नॉट फिट. तो मैं कंटिन्यूसली वर्कआउट करता हूँ. अगर 15 घंटे मैं शूट करता हूँ, आई स्टिल वर्कआउट. आई ट्राई एंड गेट इन. अगर आधा घंटा भी निकालूँ तो आई ट्राई एंड गेट इन अ वर्कआउट. फिटनेस पे पूछे ना, क्या कर रहे हो आप यार? फिटनेस पे पूछिए ना, पूछिए कुछ फिटनेस पे, बोलो पुशअप्स के बारे में कुछ करो इधर।
सर आप डेली कितना घंटा जिम करते हैं?
1.5 घंटा मैं वर्कआउट करता हूँ और उसके बाद शायद 1 घंटा शाम को कार्डियो, बस और कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं, बस उतना ही। नहीं Yeah, so good question. Reebok and I are planning to do something as far as fitness is concerned. Yes, I am also looking at doing something in the space of fitness, something I'll announce very soon. And I'm very excited about the venture that I'm coming up with. But at this point of time, because it's too new, I really can't speak about it because nothing is in place as of yet. But yes, I would love to, like I said, introduce fitness to the common man.